Hi, I'm Abu Dukri, founder and CEO at Vizetto. We're on a mission to transform remote meetings, and boy, are there a lot of challenges to overcome. First of all, remote meetings actually disconnect us. They're not bringing us closer together. Because look, I'm a tiny little postage stamp on the bottom of the screen as if I don't matter. You have to connect with people in order for meetings to be effective. Next, there's no way I can guide your focus or draw attention to something. You have no idea where to look and what to actually pay attention to. And finally, everything is compressed into a linear PowerPoint deck, no spontaneity or variety. With one click, let's transform that. Reactiv SUITE realizes that you are 90% of the value of the meeting, not the deck. You need to stand out. You need to be front and center. My name, my business card has to be right there so you can pay attention. Reactiv gives you options. Make your content very prominent. Or with one click, stand side by side. Or better yet, go into this mixed reality mode where my content is floating in front of me as if it's a piece of glass. Now, interactivity and visual stimulation is absolutely required. So today, what happens in most of our meetings is we're passively paying attention and none of us have any memory. Our memories fade as quickly as that ink. So how do you fix that? The way you do that is by inking. Watch, when I write, did you read that? If I circle this, did you pay attention? Automatically, you are locking your gaze onto mine. And I'm doing this with the pen that came with my laptop. You could use a mouse, keyboard, touchpad, any input device works with Reactiv. The last piece of the puzzle is variety and spontaneity. Not everything is a PowerPoint deck. In a real life meeting, I would be bringing all sorts of content and not presenting. I'd have a conversation. So if I wanted to talk about a contract, I would pull out the contract and put it on the table in front of you and walk you through the terms. That's how simple it is. And by the way, absolutely, I can go ahead and ink and I can highlight using the on-screen tools. And at the same time, I can pick this really nice disappearing ink that allows me to give you a pop of focus. So now you want to talk about a customer testimonial or a video from the field. Well, one click and I switch that out. Now I can walk you through the features. I can walk you through where I want the logo to be positioned. Now, even more interestingly, we can do some amazing product demos with Reactiv. For example, I can bring a live product to the table, look like I'm standing in front of you, point out the various features, and show you the actual product as if you're in the same room with me. Reactiv transforms the meeting experience. So how does this work? What is it that I'm doing here today? Well, Reactiv sits on top of Zoom, Teams, any one of your platforms. We just are a screen sharing app. We're a presentation tool. Click that screen share, pick Reactiv, and you get started. Next, Reactiv works with all of your content. It doesn't matter if it's a video, website, PDF, image, picture, Word document, even Excel spreadsheets become very powerful and engaging tools inside Reactiv. So it works with your hardware, it works with your content, it works with your video conferencing platform. We're just a presentation tool, but more, we're also a video recording software. Create powerful videos for email, video recap, stream social media, product demonstrations, town halls, board meetings, investor pitches. Anything can be done with Reactiv. Download a copy right from our website and transform your meeting in just a few clicks.